Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are exploring the CONCAT function, a game changer for combining text strings. Let's dive in. CONCAT helps combines two or more text strings into a single string. It is perfect for merging names, addresses, or formatting data. Let's see the syntax. This is the syntax. Sorry, here we have one equal. This is the syntax for CONCAT function. Let's see one example. Here I have a small data set which have first name, last name and department. From this I'm going to create a new column name, full name. Sorry, we have already have first name and second name. From this I'm going to create full name. For that we can use concat function. We can combine these two, first name and last name, these two string uh, we can combine using concat function. Let's see how it be done. Just equal concat, then select first column, first text and a comma and last name, and close the braces. Enter. See, we did it. Here now we can see it is combined. First name and last name is came as combined and split. But uh, there is one problem now. We need a delimiter here. We need a space between first name and last name. Would be better. For that, we just come here and we can keep one more comma here and put one space here and enter. See, that's it. Now, uh, instead of this space, we can give other delimiter like dot, comma, slash. Anything is fine. Till thing based on that. Here we need just space. Sorry, just space only. Now we combined first name and last name using concat function. Hope everyone got it how concat function is working in Excel. That's it for this video. If you have any question, please comment that below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.